Happy holidays, everybody. It's Mikey Abrams with Texas Pride Realty Group. I'm out here in Plano, Texas, ready to interview Reggie Alexander, who is an exquisite designer, and I cannot wait to show you the holiday decor of what he has done in his 2-bedroom apartment. Let's take a look.
My name is Monsieur Alexander, and I live in Plano, Texas, and I am a fashion designer and interior decorator. I've been decorating for the holidays, since childhood. It's like me and mom's thing, so it's a long time. I get my inspiration from one based on my living room, what color is in that living room. So the tree has to match that. Or if I'm working for a client, it depends on what their style is, what their aesthetic is. Like this tree behind me is for a client that lives in San Antonio. She likes the African style, so I try to bring in the African feel to it based off a picture that I found for her. My favorite part of the home to decorate is the living room. In my living room, there is nothing but bling, bling, bling. That make you sing, sing, sing. So making an elegant tree, it's definitely giving me the adult side, and then with my kitchen being across from it, I can kind of play with my childhood. The piece of holiday decor that has special value to me is there's a letter A that is on my tree that my cousin gave to me, which represents my last name, Alexander. And that means a lot to me because I came to her home 2 years ago and decorated this tree, and really brought the Christmas spirit into their home, and she really enjoyed it. So she said, you know what, here's a gift for your love for me, for what you did for my family. The holidays in general means to me love, family, and just, having that time of just really coming together and creating more memories.
Take pride in your real estate experience.